is your channel messages for the 8th of June. Aquarius, your channel cards are religious agenda, the 9 of Swords, and the King of Wands. Aquarius, so I'm getting, you may not be a successful celebrity, like a celebrity in Hollywood, okay? But I'm getting you are a very successful man. I'm getting is trying to explain to somebody that the reason why you made the decisions you made was because you were scared of God at the time. Or you're saying that you come from a very religious family and you never know how for me getting you never been in a situation as a man where you had to navigate something you wanted over your religion. And me getting you saying I made the decisions because me is scared. My mother say you're evil. My mother say you was against the word of God. Me never know what else for do. And me grow a very religious man. So me couldn't sit through, I couldn't see the brighter side of it, or I could not reject my mother's teachings or the teachings I grew up on for the sake of being with you, because we never know. But me getting at the time, you say you're scared. You're scared of what if this is real? What if the sins I'm committing is real? What if somebody's really against God and I'm mixing my energy with them? I'm going to have a bad karma. We will lose everything. Because the King of Wands to me is not somebody who is a religious man. Him will be a man where him doing a lot of unorthodox shit. But at the end of the day, he must say thank you God for this day. So him not really religious. But me getting, if there's any belief, if something happened to him, I'm going to say God help me. I'm going to ask God for help. So obviously there's some type of connection there. Maybe him come from a very religious family. Okay. But me say, me getting a little scared. You're scared of the backlash from the church? Are you scared of the backlash from religious people? No, the King of Wands can also be very sexually driven. Were you not scared of the hearts you broke? Were you not scared for your safety? No. Were you not scared of catching AIDS? No. Okay. Well, God is where you're feared. All right. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. I'm also getting you saying that you were scared because you couldn't control somebody. And I'm getting you were trying to use religion for control them. Because when you can't control a girl, especially if you can't convince her to cover the fuck up, you're going to start throwing the Bible or the book at her. But I'm getting somebody never give a fuck about the book either. So now you're seeing, am I being very dramatic? Am I being too religious even though I did not serve this time in church? But all of a sudden, when it comes down to this woman or her fame or her endeavors, you're the most religious man. When it comes down to you and your male friends and what you guys like to do, I never hear you. God is not called into this. You don't ask God for guidance and protection from you, what you and your male friends are going to do. You don't sit down with your male friends and talk to them about their behavior and how it reflects on God. But you sure do it to the star card. It's because she had boobs. That's why. Let's go. We have the Emperor coming out first. Yep. We have the 3 of Swords. We have the 10 of Pentacles. We have the 10 of Cups, 10. We have the 6 of Wands. And we also have the Star card. Hi, Aquarius. That's you. That's you. Hi. It's you, Aquarius, the Star. So I'm getting something about you come from a very reputable family. And I'm getting whatever the star can be somebody who is obviously very provocative when she dresses, how she wants to dress. Or the star card can go into a field that's very provocative. That's not a real job. Yeah, singing is not a real job too. But tell that to be on. This ain't Texas. I ain't a hoe. Just because I go down, 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 down. Okay? Tell that to Beyonce. I'm sure there's times when Jay-Z is like, can you not wear that on the Renaissance tour? You know how stupid him sound? That's how stupid you sound when you tell a girl don't wear that. Anyways, me getting you come from a very prestigious family. Or me getting you're the son of this millionaire, billionaire type of man. Me getting you come from the families where me avoid. The successful family, mommy had a career, daddy had a career, when I have a house, the house paid off, Me get when I have nice chandeliers, when I have rooms, everything good. Me getting you come from a nice family, mother and father, Both of them had careers. Both of them you have 2 cars. Your mom has one and your dad has one. Expensive, rich, right? Me getting you come from that family. You went to college. Them had enough for your education. Those are the men that I avoid. But me getting though, that's the family you come from. So me getting at the time when you fell in love with somebody, you never know how to deal with your emotions versus your family where you grew up with. Me getting you come from a very very tight-knit nuclear family with mommy and daddy in the house. Me getting you had it all. You had your mother, your father, you had the college lifestyle, you get drive to school, all of these things, you never worry about food. Like me getting you had it really good growing up. But me getting love. So now you have grown into the emperor, me getting love. Love is what you never had. And maybe you fell in love with somebody who was well known. She was well known by people. A lot of people know her. And they did not know her for the same type of job where your mommy and daddy did though. She probably did something more creative. More where it caused a lot of... Because when you're in a one job, one office, a 9-to-5 job, and even when you're posting a job as a 9-to-5 worker, you don't get that much hate. Unless people are talk shit about the job where you do. When you're in the creative field, people will just troll you for the fact that you have confidence for being on camera. Ain't no bitch fucking jealous of you posting you at a call center job. Nobody's jealous of that. And I don't know which fans you're trying to get while they're in a call center job and a post online. Like, nobody's envious of that. They are envious of the star card. They're envious of the confidence you have. And where the confidence come from, another woman, another man, a group, or solo. I mean, getting when you met her, it wasn't something you were used to. You're used to the whole college degree. Your mommy and daddy only came from a very structured background. But me getting you never know how to handle it. And me getting your parents are like, no, you have to date lawyer. You have to date people who went to school, who have a stability, who have something in them life for know where you're going to fall back on. But me getting you grew up with that. So maybe to you never find that important within women. Regardless, me getting the woman who you fall in love with, a lot of people is in love with her too. And this is not a domain where you ever experience. The women who you date or you fall in love with, maybe women at your workplace, women where you socialize around at wherever expensive places you are. I'm guessing when they met she was everything you have never been taught about. And I'm getting because you've never been taught about it, your family kind of urge you to stay away from that. Plus your family religious. Plus your family have money. Maybe if it get really bad, they will write you out of the will. They will stop giving you money for go school. Come remember me to meet one man and he tell the same couldn't tell him parents who he must fucking, cause if him tell him parents who he must, the parents are gonna stop paying for him college. I say, sir, don't make them know nothing about me. It didn't last because he had a other bitch. So I should have known. But at the same time, yeah, it could be that. But it's weird because you can't ask your family, hey, you want me to be with this girl who's aspiring to be a celebrity? No, she's a fucking OnlyFans model. But if the woman did end up go on to be as great as Beyonce, I'm pretty sure your parents would shut the fuck up if they know you were dating Beyonce. Because she's successful. Or your parent, or your mother or your father said to you, why you want there with a girl who is successful in the creative endeavors? Why not there with a girl who's successful in the office? They must say she's too successful, she have too much money to run her down. Okay, girls been fucking them co-workers too. So that cannot be left up to the career choice. Somebody saying you need a wife. You know, a woman who will sit down, she will have your kids. She will have your kids. She will wash, cook, and clean for you. Because that's the relationship you grew up on. That's what your parents kind of raised you on. But I'm just saying, Emperor, even though your parents are telling you these things, and what I say may not matter, your dad fucked on your mom. He may even have a baby on her. So while the parents telling you that you can't be with a girl who's popular because it doesn't look good for the family, they're hiding the secret that your daddy had an outside baby on your mommy because it doesn't look good for the family too. So I'm just saying, at the end of the day, you are a grown-ass man. But again, Maybe you're very close-knit with your family. Not all of us came from broken homes where we can make a decision. Me can deal with a man if my father don't like him. No, me don't know if my father gonna make him life a blood clot hell. But me, if my father tell me say him don't like this man what me deal with, him can't get me to stop fucking the man. If my mother tell me say the man what me deal with she don't like him, she can't get me. Me would never tell a man me gonna break up with you because my mother don't like you. That have nothing to do with me. That have nothing to do with my if I'm fucking a man right now, I'ma show him. And my father said to me, no, I don't like that man. Then. Him no black. Him no white. Him no Chinese. Him no Asian. If him tell me that, then I'm not, I'm going to say, okay, thank you so much for your input. Goodbye. I'm going to suck off this guy dick now. Then I'm not to do with me. Because of maybe the type of family I came from. I did not depend on my parents to make decisions in my life. I never ask them opinions when it comes down to certain decisions. You come from a close-knit family, a very secured family. When I have Thanksgiving and dinners together and share everything. So I'm getting you do rely on the comfort of your mom blessing the marriage. If your mother tell you can't do with a girl like that come in and like her or go against my beliefs, you gotta listen to her because you come from a close-knit family where you depend on them. Because family is everything. Me not come from that. So mother, sister, brother, dog, auntie, uncle, pastor, then can them that knows me. I say, sir, pray for the situation. That have nothing for you. Don't like my man, you don't like my ex-husband, you don't like my husband, you don't like my current to be fiance. That not have nothing to do with me. Cause there's shit that you did to mom that I don't fucking like either. But we're here today acting like it never fucking exists. So, yeah. Or maybe you're just saying that being with a celebrity is not fitting for you. You need somebody who is more, them attention is on you. Cardi B, attention was on Offset, but he was fucking other bitches. You should know that. Okay, the Emperor is clarified by the Ace of Wands. But I'm getting someone is... I'm getting you have the best sexual chemistry. Getting out of every girl you ever had sex with, you had the best sexual chemistry with the star card. Now maybe you can tell your dad that, but that's not really something you can tell your mother. Which your mother need to understand, say the girl who your dick stand up for is the girl you're supposed to be with. Because your mother want you there with a girl because it look good to the Joneses, but your mother don't have a problem if you fuck on her. So that's how moms create monsters in them children. Because you tell your mother, say you like this girl, you're just so sexually attracted to the girl, and your mother is telling you sex is not everything. Then she'll tell you if you're with a girl who look better to the Joneses, but the sexual chemistry is not there. Your mother is more comfortable with you taking a girl she like as your wife and you fuck on her and she expect the girl to forgive you and stay with you because you is her son. Then take a girl what she don't like what you're not gonna fuck on. Because we have to understand that our parents are people who are figuring it out just like us. Your mother, at a time, she had to figure out her dating life. And whether she got it right or wrong, even if she dealt with the same man for 50 years, that is 50 years worth of experiences he put her through. Now, we don't know if the man fuck on her, we don't know if she fuck on him, we don't know if them had financial problem, you just know that she was there. But just like how you as a big man are trying to navigate your love life, your mother is the same woman. We have the Three of Wands. We have the... Are you Jewish? Maybe you're Jewish. Ooh, more pressure. You know, like how much pressure Aidan Ross is under. Kai get for claim girlfriend. Aidan Ross not get for claim. Did Aidan Ross get to claim girlfriend? No. Get your head in the game, son. You're not like these niggas. You Jewish. You can't be claiming bitches. You can't be claiming bitches. Bitches can't be comfortable with the name Ross. Kai, so not claim girlfriend. Kai, so not girlfriend turning him into a fucking dog. That's how bad it got. Aidan Ross get for claim, girl. The fuck you think you are? Can't make these people be mixing up your face with anybody and then how much exes you gonna have. 10 of Cups is clarified by the 2 of Cups. Yeah. Me getting someone is saying, yeah, you need to be with a very successful, you need to be with a woman who wants to be a wife. Your parents or the people are telling you, do not be with a woman to take her as your wife. Be with a woman who's what you want to be in life. I want to be a wife. Be with that woman. She will make a better mother. She'll make a better kid. Like, she'll make a better wife and make a better mother to you. But me getting it, oh, you're Jewish. They got the Jews money. Oh. 6 of Wands is clarified by the Sun card. Oh, babies. And I'm getting babies are very important to your family. See, you have to X me out. If I was on the imaginary list, and I'm sure I'm not on, I would have to take a step back. So I'm sorry for giving you 15 minutes worth of adrenaline pump for you to go and meet your girl, but I see a baby here. I have to back. I cannot. No kids. No sir, no thank you. No pregnancies here. No pregnancies here, no kids here. We're not doing it. It no matter what. Sorry, you could have come from the best fucking family. Your mom and dad could have been like their own bank. Sir, but not get pregnant. I'll stay with this. I'll stay with the star card life. Pregnancy is off the table. What is your deal breakers? Wanting a child, especially a child from my say. That is going to be my deal breaker. That's confirming it. Yeah, I mean, getting, because you're a successful man, the woman who carry a child is a big deal. You want to make sure she's not a baby mother drama, or she had one type of things and bring disgrace by your family. You're getting, you need somebody that fit in with your family. So you have to get those type of, you know the type of girl I'm talking about. It's not the star. She too taboo. She don't give a fuck what people think about her. She don't give a fuck what her own family think about her. I'm getting that is too liberated for you. You're more structured. You do give a fuck what your family and your friends think. She don't. And it make you uncomfortable. One more. We have the Knight of, yeah. And she's very, 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 very okay. She's very comfortable with her sexual side. I'm getting, you don't like that. You feel like a woman should cover up. But I feel like a woman should find beauty in their beautifulness. But you're a man and I'm a woman. So we both have two different views on things. We have mental health. So maybe somebody's trying to make you feel lower than low because of the career choices you made. And because of the career choices you made, you're never ever going to get a certain type of man. I'm okay with that. I just want Scarborough to know that. Never, ever, ever when I did something in life, I thought about, would this fuck up my chances of getting a man? I am not that desperate. I never thought that in my head. We have political agenda. Maybe someone's like, you're fucking up your image. You were supposed to be with this politician. Okay. Well, after I fuck up my image, him still like me? Because that's kind of what matters. We have Taurus. Yes, Aquarius, Taurus. Okay. So you might be dealing with a Taurus here. We have the number 5. We have Illuminati. And we also have the number 3. 3 and 5 is 8. Or we have something about 35 or 53. Either way, it is still young enough for me. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.